Hello everyone and welcome back. If you watched it with music, now this is the one where we describe it and break it down with count and do the full lesson. You can also see it with music in the info cards and in the description. I'm Alexandros, here is with me Andrea from the Island of Cyprus, and we're going to be breaking down an intermediate to advanced move called the Cuban LA style. Now how can it be Cuban in LA? Because we have some Cuban handwork and it's really useful when you put it in your crossbody style. So let's break that down. Let's get started. We start with a simple basic, lift both hands up, turn the lady to the right, and you have a nice lock here. Now your left is what's doing the most of the magic in the beginning. You're going to push back 1, 2, 3 and bring it all the way behind you. Your right stays here until the last minute. 5, 6, you brought the lady all the way in front of you, and 7, the right hand will go away from the neck and give the lady a nice little sharp turn. We're in the same spot, so I'll show it one more time slowly. 1, 2, 3, sorry for the background noise, 5, 6, 7. If you don't want the background noise anymore, support us on Patreon. Wireless microphone coming up. Okay, let's take it one last time from the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, here's the Cuban round. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now we do like an enchufle in the Cuban, but we're going to overturn the lady half more turns. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Let go of the left, guys. 5, 6, regular turn. That's about 1.5. It's not really a double for the lady, but it looks really nice. Now 1, 2, 3, we're going to place the right hand over the lady's head. 1, 2, 3. You can take it out on 3 or 5 at the latest. 5, 8, 6, 7. Reverse setenda, or also called completa. 1, 2, 3. This is again a nice little trick from the Cubans I picked up. When you place your hands in the neck and don't do nothing until the last minute, 5, 6, 7. So this is like a reverse crossbody lead. On 1, you twist the lady. 1, 2, the other side. Let go of the left. You don't need it. And just like before, finish off the lady's turn. After this one now, we're going to enter just a regular turn to the right. 1, 2, make sure you step back on 3 so she understands it's a crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7, we bring her into the burrito position. I like to call it like that. We've done something similar where we throw the left hand behind. I'll turn this way and see. We throw it 1, 2, and 3 we catch this way. Okay? Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Guys can also point if they like. And then 5, lower the hands. 6, 7, lift them up. And the lady magically will be untangled. Now guys, enter again with the right hand up and the left down. 1, 2, 3. On 5, she will not expect it, so make sure you help her out. 5, give her good support with a diagonal. 6 and 7, the lady turns. You start going down. 1, 2, pump yourself up by 3. Start the lady on 3 so she has more easy time. 5, 6, 7. Finishing it up with an elbow. We go in and let go. 1, 2, take the other hand. Push the lady. 5, 6, wrap the wrist with your right hand. Now 1, 2, push the left forward. 5, 6, 7, and you're ready for the super hug. I don't know if you can see me there. And 1, 2, slide the hands. 5, 6, 7. Shake the booty, shake the booty. Slowly, slowly up and back to your basic. And there we go. I hope you guys like it. If something you didn't pick it up straight away, just rewind the video, watch it again, or leave me a comment in the description. Once again, I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea from the Island of Cyprus. And if you like, give a check in the description for our Patreon page. Thank you for watching.